So basically the principal aspect of this style of meditation is to directly encounter our own mind without judgment or manipulation. That's the principal aspect of it. That's where the emphasis or focus is. Basically seeing our own mind. Now, Maria gave a really good description. I found it really good last week when she was saying, like I was saying, like, well, what did you discover when you sat? You know, and she said, well, there was this jingle came. Hold on, let me just mute everyone. So she said there was this jingle. There was like the shopping list came up. I hope I'm not misrepresenting you. Yeah, okay. There's a shopping list come up, all that kind of stuff. That's what you like when you see, like, there's nothing special. This is what you see, all this ordinary stuff going on in your mind. But what you see is less important than seeing its nature. So whether it's the shopping list, a jingle, I have to, feed the cat, whatever it is, that's less important than actually seeing the nature of that experience itself. And in particular, that you see that one thought replaces another. Mostly, people don't even know that this is what's happening. Mostly people have no experience of experience of the fact that their mind is constantly things moving. One thought replaces another. And the thoughts don't last very long. This is really a personal experience. It's not theory. This is your mind. Your mind might be different from mine. But this is what I see in my mind. So, next question. This is an interesting one now. And that is that, how do you get rid of an annoying thought? You know, that bloody jingle, it's going on again. The one for me is the Spanish, the Connacht Laundry. They used to play it they used to play it at the start of the movies in Athlone. The Connacht Laundry. Anyway, in Galway as well. Okay. So, how do you get rid of it? How do you get rid of an annoying thought? You should have the answer a little bit already, which is to say it doesn't last long. It self-liberates. Of its own accord, it dissolves. You don't have to make the thought disappear. Of its own accord, it dissolves. You can, okay? Now, they come back. The jingle will come back, right? The shopping list will come back. But when it comes back, that thought is no different than the first thought. It doesn't last long, it appears and is replaced by another one. To see this is so important. When you engage with the thought, do you understand? When you start the shopping list and you keep it going, when you engage with the thought, you lose yourself. Is this true? Do you see this? There's a beauty, but eventually you come back, of course. There's a beautiful thing that Mingyur Rinpoche said recently. He says, when you see the thought, you are out of the thought. When you see the thought, you are out of the thought. When you don't see the thought, no, this is my bit. He said the bit about when you see the thought, you are out of the thought. I'm adding a little bit in, which is to say, when you don't see the thoughts control you. Okay, and I've got some fantastic news. The bells work. So we'll be able to do real meditation. Okay, so let me just check. Does this one, can you hear this one? Hey! Okay, now the settling bell first. Okay, so you know what to do. So I'll say as little as possible, unless it could be helpful. Okay. Take your time. Don't rush. You have no position at all. Just looking, just seeing. Leave your mouth slightly open and allow yourself to breathe through your mouth. So one of the things that's quite amazing about this is that it doesn't matter what the thought is. That's one of the amazing things. So even if you're like, even if this thought, this is terrible, doesn't matter. Just another thought. If you see it, you're in meditation. It's brilliant. Second thing that I thought I'd just mention is that when you practice like this, your thoughts can slow down, and they might even stop. But don't panic. You're still there. Alive. You. Nice. Okay, that's it for